Here we go, friends. Once again, we welcome to our channel. Today, our topic is we just wanted to remove the formula, but we need to keep the data only. Look at the example. We have salesman, cost, sales, and profit. If we deduct cost from the sales, we get the profit. Here it is the formula. You can see C2 minus B2 is equal to profit. And what we wish to do, we just wanted to keep only data and we want to remove formula. In that case, you just select the data, Control C, go to the paste and choose paste spatial and choose the value. There are so many options are there, comment, format, values, none, multiply, divide. We will discuss all this later. Currently, we just select the values and click OK. So here our formula went away. We left with the data only. I hope you find this video very useful to you. Thanks a lot. Stay with us.